Hi, and welcome to another Blender how-to video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate the material or share the material property. So, Shift D, there's no material on this, right? So we're going to add a material to at least one of them, and it's going to be green. And now we want them to both have the same material. So select the material, the object, and the material you want added to it. So shift this one, then shift that one, control P, and then control L. Yeah. All right. And then we're going to go link by materials. And so then these two have the same material. Yeah. And then I think control them, control L again. We can even copy modifiers. Oh, and UV maps as well from object to object. I guess if we have like two similar objects, but they're just like in different directions. Let's see, object data. Let's see. All right, so this is normal cube, right? And then we're gonna do some edits to it. And cool. All right, so now we want this object to be, we want this object to be the same as this object. We're doing a really simple show. All right, so then we want this one to have this. So select this one first, and then this one, and then control L. Let's go with object data L, and we copied it just exactly. Nice. All right, hope that helps with how to link materials between objects, and then even change up the object data between them. All right, best of luck.